The grievance of the petitioner is that instead of conducting inquiry himself, the Justice of Peace entrusted the same to the head of the department whose employees are charged and against whom allegations have been made which may attract a cognizable office if proved. Thus, principle of justice has not been followed. First up, the Justice of Peace shall clearly understand and shall take pain to go through the provision of section 22A CRPC and shall not indulge in such like practice in future, because justice is not only be done but it must be seen to have been done, and the impugned order violated that principle. Therefore, it is set aside and the petition is admitted and allowed to the extent that the Justice of Peace shall reconsider entrusting the inquiry to some other senior officer who is not under the influence of the levies force, and preferably the DCO or ACO, who shall conduct fair and transparent inquiry in the matter, and after submission of the report, the Justice of Peace has to pass some appropriate order. First up, with the above observations, this petition stands disposed of. First up, this case was taken up in the morning when learned counsel for respondents 2 and 3 stated that respondent number 3, namely Khalid Aziz, who is General Manager SUI Northern Gas Pipelines Limited, Peshawar, is busy in a meeting. Therefore, we directed him to summon him telephonically. First up, we were busy in hearing an appeal against life imprisonment, and when at 3:44 p.m. that case was concluded, we were told that the GM has arrived. First up, the matter was discussed with him, and when he was told that the project in question with regard to supply of gas and line down distributor of the petitioner's village has been sanctioned by the Prime Minister's Secretariat, and the fund cost to be incurred to the project has also been provided by the Finance Division and has been deposited in the account of SNGPL. Then why it has been delayed beyond 1.5 years? First up,